Hello guys and welcome to the first episode of how to create your own Minecraft server and earn money from it. So in this series, the starting episodes will be on how to create your own SMP. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So the first thing you got to do is get the Minecraft server itself. For that, I'll go to azelhost.in. So this is the hosting I'll be using throughout this series. Over here, I'll go to games, then Minecraft. Let me change my currency to Indian rupees. So over here, if I scroll down, in these Minecraft server plans, we will need 3 of the servers to create a SMP. The first one will be the grass plan of 1.5 GB RAM so we can get a proxy server. And the second plan will be the wood plan, which is for 200 rupees. In this plan, we will be running the hub. And the third plan will be the gold plan. This is the server where we will be actually running the SMP. So let me give a quick tutorial on how to purchase these servers. So it's super easy, just press on order now. And over here, change your currency from USD to INR. If you're from India, of course. So after that, you can choose whatever plan you like. So for example, we need the grass plan first. So let's select the grass plan and press configure. And then agree to the terms of services. Then press commit deployment. And over here, I'll choose UPI as my form of payment as I've chosen INR as my currency. Then press pay now. After you pay for the server, you'll receive the login credentials in your email. Using that, let's go to the panel. So as you can see, I've already gotten the 3 servers, which is the grass plan, wood plan, and the gold plan. So the first thing we'll do is go to the grass plan and over here press more and then go to the versions. And then let's choose the velocity egg and then choose the latest snapshot, which is 3.5.0. You can choose to wipe everything as we don't have anything really. And that's it. I'll start the server again. Let's go to files and then double check. If you see velocity.toml over here, that means you successfully installed velocity in your server. We need a map which we can upload to the lobby. So for that, join my Discord. The link is in the description and the comment section. After joining, go to the download links channel. Over here, you'll find Hypixel lobby by Aventide. Download this file and then let's go to the hub, go to files, press upload over here and then upload this Hypixel lobby by Aventide over here. As you can see, it's uploaded over here. Press on the 3 dots and press unarchive. So after it's been extracted, delete your world file. Yes, just delete it. We don't need it anymore. And now go to your Hypixel folder and rename it to world. So this map will be our world, okay? After that's done, let's just restart the server. Press restart over here. So my lobby server has started. If you want to check, you can copy the IP over by pressing on address over here. Then add your server address done. And then you can join the server to check if the map has been uploaded. As you can see, the map has been uploaded. Now let's just leave the server. Now go to my Discord server again. And over here in the download links, you will find plugins episode 1. So under these, there will be hub and SMP. Under these will be the plugins you need for the certain server. So for example, we need the Essential X plugin for hub. Let me just quickly show you how to install these plugins. Let's go to our server, then press more, then plugin installer. And don't miss this step, this is a very important step. Over here, server loader should be Paper MC, but the providers should be Spigot MC. So after you change your providers to Spigot MC, search for the plugin. For example, I'm installing the first plugin, which is Essential X, and then press install. This pop-up might show which shows download plugin. This plugin is only available for download on its official website. So then press open. You'll go to the Spigot MC and you can install using this, but some of the time it doesn't work. So let's go to the official website. Just scroll down and press this get dev builds. Over here, Essential X, press on install button and then you can download it anywhere you like. So after it's been downloaded, go to your lobby server again, go to files. Now go to plugins. Over here, press upload. Over here, press upload and go to wherever you downloaded the plugin. As you can see, Essential X, just press on that and press open. And that's it. Your plugin has been installed in a plugins folder. Just like that, you need to install every single plugin I've given over here. Also note that some of the plugins, for example, Luck Perm isn't showing up on the Spigot MC provider. If that happens, just change your provider to Modern and install it and that's it. Also note that the skin restorer plugin is not supporting Spigot MC, so just use Modern, simple. So now I've installed all the plugins for Hub. So to double check, just go to your server and then press Files. Over here, go to Plugins and double check if you installed all the plugins. After that, go to the terminal and restart your server. So my server has started. Let's just join it real quick. And now we have essentials. So let's get rid of these things first. Press / kill all and then entities. So that will be gone. Now press / kill all and then named and then press / kill all host type. Now let's change the time to time set noon. So after you remove all the unnecessary stuff, just go stand over here and type / set world spawn. And your world spawn will be set here. What it does is that whenever players join, they will spawn over here. And also press / game rule and do some like basic things. For example, spawn mobs should be false and / game rule and / game rule. Spawn monsters should also be false. That's it. So in this video, we got our 3 servers in which one of them is a proxy and installed plugins in the hub server and also added a map to the hub. So in the next map, I'll show you how to fix the tab list and the scoreboard you can see on the right side. And also I'll make sure how to fix the announcement over here and the server information book and the server selector. So that's it for the first episode. For more updates, join my Discord server. And that's it. Bye bye. See you.